Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you an amazing video editor, guys, and the best thing about this video editor is it's completely free. There's no in-app purchases. It's free to download, free to use. So it's really amazing. So I tried it out, guys. It's really easy to use. You have a ton of features, cool features. It's honestly probably better than CuteCut Pro. I still prefer CuteCut Pro because I'm used to it, but this editor is amazing. And yeah, so CuteCut Pro does cost $6.99. This is free. This is as good as KineMaster. I think this is the easiest one I've probably ever used. So it's called CapCut. You can see on the bottom right. So when tap to open up, you just search it up in the App Store, and then it brings you here. So you guys can just basically tap on your project, and then it'll bring you to your video list. You also have stock videos right here. But you know, I just made this video just for this video's purpose. But I have my videos right here, so I'm gonna tap on the video you guys want. Yes, you tap on. Let's say you want you have a couple videos, you just tap on them. I'm just gonna do one video to show you guys, and then you want to tap on add, and then you can see I just added a quick 12-second video myself. That's really it. And then you guys basically have your options on the bottom. There's one thing I don't like about this app is that you can't add video overlays. CuteCut Pro you can up to 2 videos, and then you can save it and add more. It's a little pain, but KineMaster or KineMaster, you can add multiple layer videos, which I like. But with this, you can only add 1 layer video. But it's not that big of a deal. I mean, you do so much with this app. So I'm not sponsored by them. If I was sponsored by anybody or any company, I would literally say I'm getting sponsored or something's going on, I'm getting this from them. I wouldn't just make a video, and and also I wouldn't do a sponsorship if I didn't trust them, or if it wasn't a legit product, or if it wasn't as good as I'm making it. I don't make just videos for any app, or I make videos I think the best of the best, and apps are worth downloading. So I'm gonna show you guys just a couple features it has. So you see, you can mute everything. This is a feature. You basically want to tap on the video, and then you be brought up with all these sections right here. So you split it, basically you're cutting the video, and then you can edit that part. You have speed, so you can fast forward and slow down the video. You know how high the volume could be. For the video, if it's too loud, you could lower it. If you want to higher, which I never really seen you can make it twice as loud. That's really cool, to be honest. And also, the big difference between this and CuteCut Pro is this gets updated still, and CuteCut Pro has been updated over 2 years. And I'm not sure if they're gonna update it again. I hope they will, but they don't update it. Even before they would update once every 8-9 months. So, all right. So then we have animation, which is pretty cool. I'm just gonna you can play around with it, and you can just so much you can actually do with this app. You have mask. You have your Chroma Key, which is basically for me, I have a green screen in the background, as you can see. And you can basically just click on the green screen and then actually change the background away. So you gotta play around with this. Pretty cool. We have replace. We have different filters. We have what is this? Adjust. Oh yeah. So we have contrast, saturation, sharpen, temp, hue, fade, shadow, brightness, opacity. So how light and dark it is, which is pretty cool. Beauty, which doesn't really do that doesn't really do much to me. Oh yeah, I already did that one. Voice effects, so you can change the way you sound. High, low, distorted. So it's pretty cool. I mean, a big thing that people wanted was to change your voice. In iMovie, everyone's oh, how you change your voice in iMovie, but this does it right for you. There's no secret about it. it just does it. I just showed you. You copy the video, so you're duplicating it. You just tap on it. You tap on delete. If you want to get rid of the video. Got it ending. So it just adds its ending, but different filters. So I'm just gonna show you really quickly. So I could just do split, and then you have this part of the video. You can just speed up. So you do normal, which doesn't really work too well for me when I do this. Yeah, you speed up like that. So we're gonna go back to 1.0 like it was before. We go to curve, which is pretty cool. So you do jump cut. It's really fast. See, it's really fast. You can do a long way, or it's just different. You have different ones you can do. All right, and then we go back, and then we have volume. You can make it louder. You can make it lower. We'll go back to 100. Yeah, well, that's fine. All right, and then we have animation, which is pretty cool. So you do N, and you have all these different animation effects. So let's say you want this one. So yeah, just different animation effects, and you also change the see right there. You change duration, how long it lasts. Do really quick. We do really long. So we just have a combo. That's pretty cool. Come on. They have a bunch of them. There's not just 1 or 2. There's 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh my god. Like, there's so much. Like, they also have ins. So that's just like a fade in right there. Yeah, fade in. So this has way more than QCut Pro. I promise you that. And this is free. QCut Pro costs money. We have mask. So we have like, you can split the video, and like I think we could actually add another video down there if you wanted. And also, yeah. So yeah, that is so cool, guys. And also you could just, it kind of like darkens certain areas. So it's a cool effect, to be honest. You could like move it around. You have a heart, star. I think this one looks really cool, so we're gonna keep that. And then we have a Chroma Key. So you basically want to tap, say right here, all right, and then you want to tap. And you do intensity, and it changes like the background. So like, if you have some kind of like photo there, you could basically change it to like that kind of like image. So obviously you can barely see the background. I'm saying that's the green image, the green screen. So if I actually really wanted to like, change that, I can easily, make an image of the background. But you can do the intensity, you do a different color, color picker, you do your shadow, how it's like kind of like how dark it is, like so like that. You do your shadow. So you see it's like a background, but obviously you have to have like an image there. So Chroma Key effects are really cool. And you guys want to buy a green screen? I got like my green screen off like Amazon. I think it was for like $15-20 or something. Yeah, it was like $20. It wasn't $20-25 maybe. It wasn't too much at all. I mean, for a green screen. Yeah, you have opacity, like I said, how light and dark it is. You have voice effects, beauty. Oh, you can freeze it too, and you can reverse. So basically, I can reverse this video. Like, you can basically reverse it and go backwards, and then I freeze. So I can freeze the video. Watch this. Ready? Now it's not gonna move. Ready? It freezes. Like, come on. Like, that is so cool. So like, it freezes the video. Also, I can if you do reverse, it does take a little while. You have different filters. Like, there's so much you guys can do. Like, it's crazy. Saturation, contrast, sharpen, highlight, temperature. Oh wait, is it fade one? Let's see fade. Like, this is so cool, guys. And also, the best thing is, like, oh my god, I messed up. I deleted something by accident. Press the back button. And it goes back. And also you have the other button, so if you want to go back to, like, where you were. So you have the back button and you have the forward button. You're like, oops, I didn't mean to press the back button. Oh, you go back. So, a lot of cool effects. I think the cool ones are, like, really cool ones are obviously, like, the Chroma Key. You also have so much, like, effects. Like, look at this. You can download them. Like, there's all free. That's amazing that it's free, too. I think that's the coolest thing. Look at that. There's so much you guys can do with this. It's not even funny. Like, you have Dreamy, you Bling, and not just like, there's so much topics and there's so much of these. Like, it's literally just endless. Like, what? No way. Oh, come on, yo. Does this get any more? Guys, this is the thing that makes me most, like, come on, yo. This is amazing. The thing that makes me most surprised is that it's free. Like, it's free. You just gotta play around with it. Like, and you get so much effects, but I'm saying, like, it's free. Like, literally, this whole thing is... No way. Oh, come on. That is sick. Also, like, if you want to, like, zoom in, you just literally grab... Okay, you tap on it, and then you just zoom in. Just like that. And also, you could, like, diagonal. You just gotta move it. It's... Come on. Like, this is so cool, guys. And then, like, once you're done... You can do full mode if you just, like, want to watch it in full mode. Also, like I said, I think the everything's so cool. But, like, let's see, tap on it. You have, where is it? Let's tap on this one. There we go. We have reverse and freeze. So I think that's really cool. Like, you freeze video, and then also I can reverse it, so like, it goes like backwards. But yeah, and if you want to get rid of the effect, you just tap on it, and you tap on delete, and there you go, you're back to normal. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. And then once you guys are done with the video, it's, you just tap on the button on the top right. And it gets better. Like, it's so amazing. So when you tap on the top right, and like I said, I'm not sponsored by these guys. I've never, like, talked to these developers. I just basically found this app, like, I was searching around, and I downloaded it. I was like, I tried different apps, and let me try it. And it's amazing. So, and what's, like, we're done, basically. So I like the video. I want to save it. You press save, and look at this. You get resolution. You get 2K-4K videos. That's amazing. Like, to have that on a phone, just export that kind of quality is amazing. You just obviously make sure you have enough space, but and they also do 60 frames per second. It tells you the size down there. So like 14-second video, it's 103 megabytes. But like frames per second, 30 is fine. But like to have 1080p is fine too. I'm saying like to have 2K 4K video is crazy. And obviously the lower you go down, the less space it will be. See, but I usually do mine 720p because like my YouTube's like I have an old version of YouTube to have YouTube++, so it doesn't really update. It doesn't upload with those like newer quality, or 1080p works on too, but I don't think I can do on 2K that's 4K. I'm gonna show you guys 2K 4K at sport. It's gonna take a little tiny while just because it's 2K or 4K. That's crazy. And then once that bar loads, it's done. So you can tap on share TikTok, or you tap on share the others, and you literally just tap on save video. And now it's gonna save to your camera roll, and then you guys are good. So now you guys have it in your camera roll. So yeah, pretty cool. And I have a ton of apps. Alright, so we're gonna go to videos. You can see it's right here. So this is our old one, and this is the 4K one. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Just search up the app in the App Store. It's right here, CapCut. And yeah guys, peace.